name's Robbie. I've got my VK Calais Director 1985 model here at MotorEx. It's been in the build for about 2 years. Originally, when I first purchased the car about 3.5 years ago, I just took it to the panel shop just to get a touch up on the front bumper bar. And next thing you knew, it just blew out into a full bare metal resto. Yeah, just basically the car's been finished now for about 6 months in hiding in the garage, waiting for this moment to come to MotorEx. So basically 2019, I came here as a spectator, fell in love with it, wanted to be a part of it, hence why the build now as well. So it's a 308, 355 stroker. Got a turbo 350 behind it, 5250 high stall. It's got a 9-inch sheet metal diff housing. So initially built the car to be a street cruiser. So it's a pretty wild 355. It's got 600 horsepower at the flywheel, about 450 at the back tyres. Just a Sunday cruiser with the family. So that was the intention, to drive it that way with the family and just enjoy it. So with the VK, I actually seen one as a 14-year-old in the city cruising past me, and I should have been at school that day. But I seen the car, and it was black. I was a businessman driving it, and I said to myself and to my friend, when I grow up, I'm going to have one of those cars one day. And that was the main reason for purchasing the VK. And yeah, just it was been a dream for me basically to have a black Director, and here we are today.